In this video, I took a helicopter tour of Dubai. It's quite popular actually. It's more so than you realise. There's like 4 to 5 flights every hour going out of the Atlantis helipad, and also there's another location from the police station near the Burj Al Arab. The Burj Al Arab has a helipad as well, but that's not quite as commercialised. I think a good deal more expensive as well. But with this one, you book a tour through an agency, you choose between 4 different routes, which are 12 to 25 minutes long. I took one here that was 17 minutes, flying out of the Atlantis. So it was actually my first time going in a helicopter, and even though statistically it's probably very safe, you see in the news, the helicopter crashes, everyone dies, so naturally going into it, I kind of had this action plan that, if it starts going down, I'll jump out the window, I'll make myself white, slow down air drag as you're going down, and then when you're about to hit the water, you point your toes, you go in, and then about 0.5 seconds of taking off, you realise that actually if this thing goes down, you're absolutely fucked and there's no chance you're getting out. But actually, it was very steady. It felt very safe, like it wasn't like wobbling everywhere. So that was something I can recommend. But on the actual flight, you start off on Palm, you then pass the Burj Al Arab and Jumeirah beachfront hotels. You then go over Kite Beach, which is a great place to learn scuba dive for anyone interested, before going over the Blue Lagoon and into the Burj Khalifa downtown area. You then spin around and go over the Dubai Drydocks and the World Islands, which is this archipelago of small artificial islands where the developers kind of run out of money, and so now there's a few which are part built, a few which are part empty. You then finish the tour back at the Atlantis helipad.